Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to back up Gmail contacts. Let me show you how to do this. First, you want to go ahead and open up settings on your device. So if I come here and click on settings, and then you need to scroll all the way down and choose the option that says Google. Go ahead and choose this. Now, right here, this is what I want you to do. I want you to choose the correct Gmail and then click on all services and scroll down. You should see this option right here that says Google Contacts Sync. Okay, go ahead and click on that. And right here it says sync is off. Toggle this one on, Google Contacts Sync. And if I refresh this, as you can see before it says 0 contacts sync, now it's 7 contacts, perfect. Also sync device contact, this one is off as well, so it'll automatically back this up and sync our device contacts. If I toggle this one on, choose the correct email, there we go, perfect. And if you want, you can also go ahead and import your SIM contacts, right? Go ahead and do that if you want, but otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. As you can see, it is backing up. So I hope this video helped you out.